Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. And Mariam, you had asked me to show you my nail polish collections. Here it is, Mariam. I'm so happy that you gave me a topic and here I could make a topic on this topic. You wanted to see my collection of nail polishes? Here it goes, Mariam. Love you. So this is my nail polish collection. This is a gift from my daughter which I had got, and you can open it like a suitcase, and it looks like a suitcase. It has 48 nail polishes holding, I think. I've never counted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 into 3, it is how much? 24. And this also has 24, so it is 48. So it can be holded like a briefcase. So it's like a suitcase, actually, briefcase. So you can open it from either side. And the nail polishes which I have are like it was 98 cents they used to cost 20 years back. And I have some nail polishes which are lying from 20 years, past 20 years. I had come in 2000, so it is like this. And I'll show you some of the favorite ones are like this is Sally Hassan Complete Manicure, and this has a number. It has says ping pong, and some Revlons have their names like 917 Plum Seduction. This is a very good pink one. And I have some SCs, and this says Meet Me at Sunset. Wow, what a name. So these are very nice. And some nail polishes just don't have a number or anything. I just got it when it was 20 years back. So this is again Sally Hassan one, and it is 531 Dark Humor. This is like blue color, dark navy blue color. And all these are New York colors which are very old, so I don't even have their numbers. So it doesn't even say what is their number, and I think I lost of the packet which was sealed up here. This is one more which is Sinful Collection. Again, this I lost the number of here. This is again an OPI nail polish. This has its Topeless Beach. This is very good. Every girl should process this Top Speed Revlon nail polish. It is 330 Emerald. I think I've showed you everything. Yeah, this is also a good one. 130 Guided Goddess it is. It's a Revlon, and it's a very sparkly and a shiny one. Again, all these are New York and they don't have the numbers, and also very old ones. So oh yeah, this is a very good one. I've kept the best nail polishes in this box because I knew that I would love what and all. I like it. So this is a black color one, and it says Black Diamonds 480, and it's really beautiful. And today I have put two colors. I think you can see this is a different color. This is a different color, but I don't know when I put which one. So yeah, I'll close this and I'll take you to the next one. So this is the second side, and I have put some more good colors in here. So I like this Revlon. Actually, I like Revlon so much that I have too many Revlons actually. So this is 640 and it says Fearless. And Revlon, one good thing is that the price is only $4 or something you have to pay. This is an OPI. It is like $10, and these are very expensive again. So this is it doesn't have a number, but it says An Affair in the Red Square. So it is a very good nail polish, and it's a red color. I love this too. This is again Sally Hassan, and this is 360 Plums the World, and I have put this a lot. If you have seen my videos, I have put a lot of this. And this is a purplish one, and it says 409 Good to Grape, and it's a Sally Hassan one. Beautiful color. This is again Revlon, and it is a Vixen, and it is a maroon and brownish color. And this is also a best color. It says it's Sally Hassan Maximum Grow. This is, I have put a lot even while cooking and all. This says 19 Beautiful Berry. So this is also a very good color. And the rest, it doesn't have any colors, but and this one good thing, this comes with the leg. You can put this under on your toes also and apply. These are toe separators. So this is an added, and I got it free with this box. So this comes with it from Amazon. And this is Sinful Color Green, and I like this also. And some of the nail polishes which I have are here, and these are also very good. Again, this is Sally Hassan Divine Dahlia, and this is again Revlon, and it says Foxy. It's a brown color. So this is Hot for Chocolate. This is a beautiful shade. Every girl can process this also a lot. And this is a very light one. I don't like light shades, but I don't know, once in a while I like to put all this. It says what is this? Champagne Toast 220. Sally Hassan Diamond Strength. And these are again 20 years old. I don't know whether we get this or no. It says Maybelline Express Finish, and this is Touch of Taupe. And these are Revlon, and this is 220 bubble because it's a pink color, yeah. And this is 471 Fashionista. This is a good one, and it is a bluish color. All these are unopened, and I got this from Dollar Tree. So these are only from Dollar Tree, and they are for $1. It is 520 Black Jack. It's a black one. And this is Trendy 590. So these you can get from Dollar Tree. So my nail polishes are not that expensive. And these are very small ones, which are CoverGirl. I bought it for my daughter, but nobody used it. And this says 615. I cannot read. Oh my, I cannot read. If you can read, what does it say? I cannot read. I think I need my glasses. So these are for babies actually. I have not used this once or twice. I must have used it. Again, these are Revlon, and it says chestnut, roasted chestnut. It's a brown color, but it's a good one. And this one, I don't have its name. Oh, there is a number, but it's a very old one. I don't remember. And these are magnetic nail color, which we have to use a magnet. I don't know where I kept it. So these are magnetic colors. And the color is Electric Emerald, if you can see. So Electric Emerald, nice color. And all these are again, this is also 20-year-old nail polish, and I have not used. Yeah, they have dried off also, but I'm going to show you one trick on how to make your dried nail polishes work again. So all this is there, and these two. So one is Revlon Teak Rose. This is a beautiful color again. And this is 110 Flawless, and it's a maroon shining one. So I think I showed you everything. Now I'll just get my thinner and show you how to restore a nail polish. Well, this is a very old nail polish. It is saying L'Oreal Jet Set, and I have finished it almost like a full bottle. As you can see, it's almost, you see, empty from here. So can you see this? So this is a very old one, and very little is there. So, and the name of it is 324 Beat, if you can see. This is the number, and this is the name. So to restore this nail polish, you just need Beauty Secrets nail polish thinner. It looks like this. I got it from Sally's. Can you see the bottle? It has a very nice opening over here. So I'll be restoring this nail polish. So here it looks, you can see it is almost till the last bit of it. But I really love this nail polish. See how bad and thick it looks. So we'll just add a little thinner of here and restore it. You only need 3 or 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's more than enough. And now you see, once I shake it, it will have a good consistency. See, it is restored so well. If you can see, at least it started moving and it is showing, but you can add how much ever thinner you want. And see, at least it gave a good consistency, and here it goes. This is the color. I'll have to remove it. So it has become so nice. It was so hard to open, and we opened it, and this is how it looks now. I can at least use it for 2 more times. So friends, I hope you liked all my nail polish collection, and this nail polish collection I've been having from past 20 years. Now I don't buy that much of nail polishes. I use whatever I'm having, and during lockdown I never even bought one nail color, so I'm so happy that I had these old ones and I use it. So Mariam, I hope you liked my topic today, and thank you for giving me this topic. I made a great attempt of showing this. I hope you all like it. If you have liked anything in this, please like it, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.